Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix your broken links on your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, the main thing you need to do to fix these broken links is to first go ahead and identify which links are broken. You can do this in a couple of different ways. There are a ton of plugins which you can use on WordPress itself, which will identify your broken links for you. One of them is the broken link checker. As far as I'm aware, that's what the name is. I can't really install any plugins because I'm on the free version of WordPress. I do not have the business plan, so I can't use them, but you can use plugins such as that. Another thing you can also use is if you're connected to the Google Search Console, you can go over into the Search Console and list your pages of your site, and once you list them out, you can filter them by 404 as the error reason, which will then show you which pages are 404ing, and most likely those links are broken. Once you do that, you can go into your settings and go into your permalink section. As you can see, it's missing from my WordPress, for the reason being most likely because I'm on the free plan. And you can also do a couple different things. You can also go into all pages by going into pages and all pages, and then select the page which you assume is the broken link. Then click on edit right next to it, and you should see a link at the top, which is the permalink, and you can click edit right next to it. Again, I'm on the free version, so I most likely cannot see it for that reason. Or you can just go into settings as well, and under page, you can also change some certain things, such as the slug, which you can change to customize the page slug. And as you can see, the permalink is over here. However, I have no way of changing it. So if it appears at the top, you will see an edit button. If it doesn't, then it'll be here, but as you can see, I cannot edit it. I can only click on it and it'll show me the page over here. And that is basically it. Just find a way to change the permalink, and just changing the slug should suffice. However, if it doesn't, change the entire permalink if you can. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.